Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I see that you guys are enjoying the video where I explain everything about the digitals, but a lot of you are asking me to show you how I transfer the images over to a doc sheet and then resize them. So this is the best angle that I can get for you guys to see my actual screen. So these are some of my digitals. And when you get the digital sent to you, when you purchase it, you get a zip file. Then you have to, of course, open the zip file, but I don't have any zip files because I've already opened up my files and put them into folders. So I'm pretty sure you guys know how to unzip files and stuff like that. So you do that part, and now we're going to go into, let's say right here, Crepe Paper Wonder. This is what you get in a collection. So these are all my ephemera pieces that you guys can see here. See all the images? And then I have the paper is, I think, down here. So this is all the paper. And if you guys want to know, this is Crepe Paper Wonder. Now, let me show you guys how I do the ephemera and how I create my sheet. This is what I'm working with here. I have two windows open. I currently have my Google Drive open, which is my doc sheet back here. And this is the window with my images. So I just scoot this a little over, and we're going to pick the little suitcase right here. You guys see this right here where I'm showing you guys that? We're going to pick that image to move on over to the sheet. You guys see how big that is? I click on the image, and then over here, I don't know if you guys can see that. Move a little bit. There's like on the bottom, I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, hold on, right here. In the image right here, you guys see this little square around here? You're going to want to make it smaller. And I bring it back up. And then whatever size you want it. Sometimes in projects you need something that big. I usually don't make it that big. I make them about that size. And then I start adding them there. So we're going to add another image. We'll add the camera. Once again, resize it to whatever size I want. And add that right there. And then, let's say this little fella, we'll add him. And resize that. Hold on one second. It might be a little shaky for a minute because my phone is like literally about to die. Okay. Oops, sorry. Sorry about that, you guys. But here's the little image. And then that size right there. And then, let's see. Then we have the little label. We can do the label. Labels tend to be smaller than normal. So those you put right there. You can move it around however it's gonna, fit to your needs. And you can make it literally any size you want, you guys. See how big the house is? You guys can make it about that size and resize it to that way. And then that's the way you'll have it. So, let's see. Sorry, I got distracted because my wife just walked in with the dog. But, that's the little house right there. I made it that way, or you can make it bigger. And I don't know if you guys can see because I can't see what you see on the screen, but over here I always hit wrap text so that I'm able to move it around. And let's see, one more. We'll add this little mason jar right here. When it's too big, it'll do that and turn black, so I always go back. Sometimes it'll do that. It's just I have to move the house over here. And then I can go back and try the mason jar again. Like that. And then we get it super big. And then you make it however you want. And that's it, you guys. That's how easy it is. And I figured I'd film this video super quick and add it to today's, lineup of videos so that you guys can have everything in one day. So if you guys have any more questions, just let me know. I had somebody ask where do I get my vellum? I bought a pack of vellum on eBay. And I think it was like $10 or $9 and it was a pack of 50. So that's where I got my vellum. And yeah, I think those are the only questions that I saw. You guys mainly wanted to see how I resize my images on a document sheet. So basically I fill up this whole sheet and then I print it out and cut it out. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the love. The video has gotten so many views already and it's only been up for a little while. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.